is a double room, so we have 2 twin beds. We have a nightstand over here. The beds have the mosquito net and the lights up above. So this property has 24-hour electricity and running water, hot and cold. Nice little artwork. The windows in here and the light that these windows let in is amazing. And then they have the screens on them. So the windows are open and it has a really, really nice breeze. And then here are 2 twin beds, nightstand in between. Nice tile floor. And the thing that strikes me about this property is it's very, very clean. Oh, we have the nice towel rack, the coat rack up behind. But this is our room. Here is the bathroom, and the light in here isn't the best, but the bathroom is very clean. So nice rain shower here. And then we have a large area with a toilet, a sink, and a bathtub. And I mean, this room, this is a huge bathroom. I'm sure you can hear the echo in here.